and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays. And if you love makeup, this is the channel for you. I upload makeup tutorials and anything about makeup every Thursday. So yes, if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my so today guys, we are here in the living room. It's a different setup because I'm using the natural light here, and this is my first time to try it here, so I'm not in front of my makeup desk, but yes, I will try my best to create a look for you guys. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna do a St. Patrick tutorial for you guys, a makeup look, a St. Patrick makeup look tutorial for you guys. So yes, if you like, please continue watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment down below on what you think. And if you like, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So yes, I hope to see you soon, guys, on my next haul and next vlog and next tutorial. And I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep